The Theku Neck Cooler offers an innovative way to stay cool and comfortable in any environment. This personal cooling device is designed to provide immediate relief during hot weather or hot flashes, ensuring you stay calm and productive. Equipped with advanced cooling technology, the device lowers your body temperature, helping to reduce discomfort caused by excessive heat or sudden temperature changes. Effortless plant care is now possible with the Let Pot LPH Max, a groundbreaking indoor gardening system that combines advanced technology with simplicity. The Let Pot app makes managing your plants even easier, allowing you to set a 0 to 24-hour LED lighting schedule, ensuring your plants get the right light at the right time. Designed to speed up plant growth, the LPH Max is equipped with a 36-watt full-spectrum LED light that mimics natural sunlight. Flame is redefining ambient lighting with its smart, flameless candlelight technology. This cutting-edge light bulb captures the essence of traditional candlelight, offering a flickering effect that mimics a real flame while ensuring safety and energy efficiency. Designed for versatility, Flame allows you to adjust the light's color to match any mood, from a soft, warm glow to a vibrant burst of color. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you full control from anywhere. Small but powerful, the C110 is a compact camera designed for seamless adventure, capturing stunning moments on the go. This ultra-portable device weighs just 79 grams, fitting easily in your pocket while delivering exceptional performance. With a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view and distortion correction, every shot is clear and true to life. Whether you're filming in 4K at 30 frames per second, 2K at 60 frames per second, or capturing fast action at 1080p with 120 frames per second. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. Sci-Fly drones deliver unmatched performance with 4 times greater flight time and 10 times greater range, 10 times quieter noise profile, and 5 times stronger payload capacity. Sci-Fly drones are NDAA compliant and made for industrial missions like drone as first responder and industrial operations. Sci-Fly's launch platform, the Q12, offers an unprecedented 2-hour continuous hover and up to 3 hours in forward flight, enabling a 90-mile operational range while carrying up to 10 pounds of payload. In aerial cinematography, clarity, control, and endurance define excellence, and the DJI Air 3S raises that bar. Tailored for serious travelers and photographers, this drone introduces a refined 1-inch CMOS main camera that captures sharp, expressive imagery, even in dimly lit moments like dusk and nighttime. Shoot in cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, unleashing up to 14 stops of dynamic range to showcase cloud layers, reflections, and fine textures with clarity. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. No more yanking, twisting, or yelping as you wrestle with an overstuffed trash bag. The pulley bin flips the script on how we deal with garbage, starting with a smarter, safer design. Forget hauling 30 pounds of compressed waste while fighting suction and gravity. This bin makes it effortless. Front opening doors eliminate the need for awkward lifts. Just lift the top cover, swing open the stainless steel doors, and pull. The Mamba Pod is a versatile, multifunctional tripod designed to meet the needs of urban photographers. Featuring 4 distinct modes, this tripod offers unparalleled flexibility for capturing the best shots in any environment. Its unique foldable clamp mode allows for easy attachment to a variety of surfaces, making it perfect for urban exploration or shooting from unconventional angles. The Arlo Essential Indoor Camera 2nd Generation offers cutting-edge security with its dual camera setup and 2K video quality, providing an excellent solution for monitoring your home, children, pets, and valuables. The high-definition video clarity ensures you never miss a detail, and the easy setup means you can have your cameras up and running in no time. Arlo emphasizes privacy protection, giving you full control over your personal information. The Insta360 X5 is an advanced 360-degree action camera designed for high-performance shooting in extreme conditions. Engineered for durability, it features an 8K resolution, offering stunning clarity and vibrant detail in every shot. Whether capturing action-packed scenes or scenic landscapes, its waterproof design ensures reliability in wet environments, making it perfect for water sports or outdoor adventures. Equipped with a rugged, replaceable lens, the Insta360 X5 provides added protection and flexibility for users. Experience the convenience of the Satechi 3-in-1 foldable Qi 2 wireless charging stand, designed to streamline your charging routine. With advanced QI2 fast charging technology, this station offers lightning-fast charging speeds of up to 15 watts for your iPhone and 5 watts for both AirPods and Apple Watch. Double the speed of typical chargers, ensuring your devices are powered up swiftly and efficiently. Its MagSafe compatibility allows you to charge your devices securely and easily. Versatility meets precision in this tactically engineered carry system built for those who demand efficiency without compromise. Constructed with adaptability in mind, the design features more than 30 strategically placed pockets to ensure every tool, gadget, or accessory finds its rightful place. The clamshell opening unfolds a full 180 degrees, giving you complete access in seconds, ideal for on-the-go professionals, digital nomads, or gear-heavy creatives. The Canva 16 Gen 3 redefines the digital art experience with its cutting-edge features, providing artists with a tool that blends high performance with user-centric design. Equipped with a 15.8-inch display and 2.5K QHD resolution, this tablet ensures crisp, detailed images with a 186 ppi pixel density, making it ideal for fine lines and intricate designs. Revolutionize your note-taking experience with NuaPen, where technology meets precision. No more dealing with the chaos of paper clutter. With NuaPen, your handwritten notes, whether on sticky notes or large paper rolls, are instantly digitized and organized. This AI-powered tool adapts to any writing surface, allowing you to create freely and without restriction. NuaPen's cutting-edge AI ensures smooth, continuous writing for up to 2 hours on a single charge. Capture professional-grade audio in any environment with this sleek wireless lavalier mic system engineered for modern creators. Built to sync effortlessly with iPhone 15 or 16 and USB-C Android devices, this compact powerhouse delivers hi-fi sound without the hassle of tangled wires or complicated setup. Whether you're recording a vlog on the go, streaming live, or capturing interviews, this microphone adapts quickly to your needs. Crank up the volume by the pool, in the shower, or on the trail. This rugged speaker is engineered for any environment. Built to perform under pressure, it handles water, dust, and impact with ease. Whether clipped to your backpack or floating beside you in the hot tub, this compact device doesn't just survive, it thrives. With 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can soundtrack your entire day without reaching for the charger. And when the sun goes down, it's still going strong, keeping the vibe alive through nightfall. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is an advanced gimbal stabilizer designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience. Featuring a robust 3-axis stabilization system, this gimbal ensures smooth, professional-grade footage even during movement. Whether capturing fast-paced action or cinematic panning shots, the Osmo Mobile 7 guarantees steady results with minimal effort. Its ultra-light ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. In a world saturated with constant pings, pop-ups, and pressure to stay online, the Mudita Compact brings clarity back to communication. This minimalist e-ink phone strips away the noise, placing your attention on what truly matters: real conversations and meaningful moments. Engineered with enhanced connectivity for seamless use across the US and Canada, this compact device remains ready for global travel. Its crisp, paper-like display offers exceptional visibility in direct sunlight while consuming minimal power. Tired of bland, store-bought plant-based milk filled with thickeners and preservatives? Step into the modern kitchen with a smarter solution that gives you full control over ingredients, texture, and freshness without the additives. The Smart Home plant-based milk maker transforms raw ingredients into silky, nutrient-rich milk with precision and ease, right from your countertop. This sleek countertop appliance uses high-speed blending and controlled heating to extract milk from your favorite ingredients like almonds, oats, soybeans, and cashews. The 10-4 Tech provides a versatile solution for those needing reliable, organized gear storage and easy accessibility. With its bucket-style access, you can reach into any section with ease, allowing for quick retrieval of equipment or supplies. Its 360-degree reach makes it incredibly efficient, ensuring that every part of the pack is within arm's length. This design also supports an ultra-organized setup, giving you dedicated compartments for different items. The grab-and-go handles allow for quick lifts. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. Tactile precision meets modern minimalism. This innovative metal card packs an entire polyhedral dice set into a design thinner than a smartphone. Engineered from solid aluminum alloy, it's built to endure years of tabletop sessions without losing its clean machined edge. Whether you're rolling a D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, or even a D20, each dial spins with crisp resistance, delivering randomized results without the clutter of traditional dice. The POW Audio Mo collapsible magnetic Bluetooth speaker brings impressive sound quality in a compact, versatile design. Featuring a 10-watt output, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various environments, whether indoors or outdoors. The speaker's collapsible design makes it highly portable, allowing you to easily store or carry it while traveling. With a robust 100-foot Bluetooth range, you can move around freely while enjoying uninterrupted music. Power your setup with the Aurora 20-in-1 docking station, engineered to elevate every part of your workspace. Built with a staggering 128 terabytes of combined HDD and SSD storage, it gives you unmatched capacity to manage projects, backups, and intensive workflows with ease. Featuring 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, this dock ensures blazing fast file movement across your devices without delay. In a world where precision meets style, the Revolution R180S steps forward as the ultimate two-slice smart toaster. Designed with a vibrant full-color touchscreen, this powerhouse offers 6 preset bread algorithms, handling everything from artisan breads to frozen bagels with remarkable accuracy. Its brushed stainless steel body doesn't just elevate your kitchen style, it speaks to a refined taste for high-performance appliances. The Antank B08 power bank stands out as an essential tool for anyone in need of a high-capacity charging solution. With an impressive 25,000 mAh capacity, it provides enough power to keep multiple devices charged throughout the day, whether you're traveling, working, or enjoying outdoor activities. Its dual carrying options, including a convenient handle and a sleek design, make it easy to transport without sacrificing style or practicality. When your commute calls for more than just convenience, the Lurpe R1 delivers both movement and power in one durable frame. This 3-in-1 electric scooter blends cutting-edge performance with emergency utility, giving urban riders and outdoor explorers a powerful edge. With a peak speed of 15.5 miles per hour, it handles city streets with confidence. Its 500-watt output motor makes inclines and varied terrain manageable, while regenerative braking and smooth throttle response create a seamless ride. Forget the hunt for the perfect pair of trees. With the Animaka portable hammock stand, you bring comfort wherever you set foot, be it sun-baked shores, rugged trails, or your own backyard. Designed to be as adventurous as you are, this stand unfolds into instant relaxation with its intuitive snap-fold system. In just seconds, you're lounging without tools, knots, or frustration. Whether you're reading under the sun or stargazing at night, you control your position with precision. The Cuisinart bread maker machine offers a modern solution for making fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. Designed for ease of use, it features 12 pre-programmed menu options, making it simple to bake a wide range of bread types. Whether you're after a classic white loaf or a hearty whole grain, the fully automatic system takes care of the details, leaving you to enjoy the results. This bread maker accommodates loaves up to 2 pounds and provides 3 different crust shades: light, medium, and dark. Carve out your sound space without shutting out the world. Yamaha's TW-EF3A true wireless earbuds bring immersive audio in a form that stays light, open, and aware. Designed with a breezy, open-type earbud structure, they rest comfortably while allowing ambient sounds to filter in. Ideal for walking, commuting, or office use where awareness matters. These aren't just about comfort. Inside each bud is Yamaha True Sound technology, delivering lifelike clarity and balance that captures every breath of your favorite track. Innovation meets nostalgia with the Ioneo Retro Mini PC AMO-1S, a unique fusion of classic style and modern performance. Revealed through an online livestream, the AMO-1S is the first mini PC featuring a flip secondary screen design, bringing the Ioneo remake concept to life in a compact, high-performing format. Engineered with retro aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality, the AMO-1S stands out as a rare gem among high-performance mini PCs.